We're going to Portugal. Oh my gosh, I'm already stressing and I have 5 days left, but I still feel like I'm gonna be forgetting something. Hello everyone, welcome back to the, if you can't tell by the title, we're gonna be going to Portugal and I'm gonna take you I can't talk. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to pack and prep. Today is November 24th and I leave on the 28th, so a few more days left. And this week I will just be kind of like packing everything and also getting my hair done, nails done, brows done. So take you guys along with me for that. I did take a trip to the store today and I got another memory card. I also got this like handheld tripod from Amazon. This is like a really nice handheld one. It only goes up this high, so really good for vlogging, so I'm not carrying like my big ass tripod. And then I got this little wet brush to take with me, and I went to Sephora and got my favorite makeup products. These are so good. I love the NARS foundation and then the primer and setting spray because I have really oily skin, and this is the only thing that's worked for me. If you also suffer from oily skin, go get that. And then I also got red shampoo because I don't know if over there I'll find this. So I just ended up buying it because I'm gonna be getting my hair done again. Last time I did my hair was September, and you can see like my roots have grown out. It's nasty. I also went to Old Navy and I got this really cute airport set. So I got these SWAT pants with a matching zip up sweater. I love baggy stuff. And then I'm gonna pair it up with my Columbia, is it Columbia? Yeah, Columbia vest. Here's what I'm dealing with for packing. So I have this bag that's gonna be going in a bigger luggage, which is just of my thicker clothes. Yeah, because it won't fit in my carry-on purse, my carry-on luggage, which I'll be taking in here. This is also my carry-on bag, which I'm gonna be taking like my electronics. So I got this, and inside I just have like all of my chargers, camera batteries, and I'm still packing clothes, so that'll be an ongoing process. And then for my makeup, skincare, whatnot, I got this little organizer, and I have my cotton pads, Q-tips, my makeup pads, I don't know what they're called, all my dental hygiene stuff in here. I also got like a little micellar water and then a CeraVe face wash because I'll also be flying out to the islands for a few days and I won't be able to like bring my full-size stuff that I'll be getting once I get to Portugal, so that's good for like my little like 4-day trip. So I have to pack all my makeup, which I will probably be doing the day before. So when it comes to packing, I'm not really the most organized person. I just throw a bunch of clothes together and I hope for the best. But I'm gonna be taking a couple jeans. So I have 2 jeans in here. Oh, I also have this like jean skirt, which I think is like so freaking cute for like little dinners or whatnot. Some leggings. I also have some like versatile tops. This carry-on is so small that I've been just stashing everything together. It's been a hassle. Taking my purses. So I got this white shoulder purse and this black one. Very versatile, and I just rather keep it like white and black. So it's just so it's easier to plan outfits. I also got a couple of these plugs because the plugs in Europe are different than here. I'm also going to be taking these boots to wear with like skirts. And then here I have all of my hair stuff. So if you know me, I've been very obsessed with bows. So I have a whole bunch of bows in here and some combs. So that's all that I have so far. And then I'll also need to put these in here. Oh my gosh, I'm already stressing and I have 5 days left, but I still feel like I'm gonna be forgetting something. Don't really know. Okay, we have some of our clothes all packed in here. I'll still be adding stuff in throughout the week, just because a lot of the clothes I'm taking I'm still kind of wearing. And then I'll have to wash it, so yeah. I also wanted to show you guys that I got these power banks from Amazon. And apparently they're like fast charging and they're like really durable and you can charge like multiple devices at once, as you can see. So I'm really hoping that those will last me during my trip, because not all the time I'm going to be able to charge things. Hopefully those will come in clutch. I'm going to start already taking some things out of my packages just to put in my makeup bag so it's already, you know, dealt with. Oh, anyways. Wait, this looks too bright. Wait a damn minute. Wait. This is supposed to be the same shade. Mont Blanc Light 2. They're the exact same, but tell me why they look different. Do you see this? This looks brighter. I gotta try this out. Wait a second. I feel like I'm being gaslit right now. Okay, no, it's definitely my shade. I don't know why. It just looks so bright on here. Huh. Anyways, I'm not gonna play around with that anymore. Then we're opening our primer. I usually use this one. It's the oil sucker, but this is very, very extreme, like oil gripping. It makes your skin feel very tight, so I want to try this one, which is just mattifying. And then I also got this liquid blush from Essence. It's like all over TikTok, and apparently it's a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's. And then I got some of these lip plumpers from Essence as well. They have the best lip plumpers. Like, honestly, it's almost like the Too Faced lip plump lip gloss, just cheaper. That's what they look like. Very cute. And then some mascara, which I actually am wearing today. I usually wear lashes, but I've been trying to test out wearing mascara and not lashes all the time. So that's what it looks like all packed up, and then close it up, and there you go. Everything's all in one bag. Now that I've gotten a lot of the packing kind of done and out of the way, Tuesday or Wednesday I'm going to be getting my nails and eyebrows done, and then Thursday I have my hair appointment to refresh the red, and then we head out on Friday. So I will catch you guys in my appointments. Good morning, everyone. It is a couple days later. Today is Wednesday, and the last you guys saw me was Sunday, I think. And today we're going to be getting our nails done. My last video, or no, the previous video, you guys saw that I did Halloween nails. They didn't even last like 2 weeks. Never get matte nails. It's actually disgusting. They turned orange. And then also, just because we're in November, I just had to take them off. So I've been rocking just the natural nails lately. But yeah, we're gonna go get them done. I'm gonna get some really festive ones. I'm really excited. And then if I have time today, I'm also going to go get my eyebrows done, because they're also looking kind of rough. They're just like growing in a little bit, you know? And then also I get my hair done tomorrow. Really excited because, yeah, she's brown. Like, my roots are really growing in. Ooh. So I will catch you guys in the car.
Hi there, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. What can I get started for you?
Could I just get a grande sugar cookie latte, but with lactose-free milk? And also, do you guys usually put 2 blonde espressos in there?
We do.
Okay, could you do the 1, just because the last couple times it just tastes too strong?
Chocolate?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I love this drink, but I swear to gosh, like, the first few times, like when this menu first went out and I was getting the sugar cookie latte, it tasted like sugar cookie, like it was fine. And then the past 3 times I've ordered it, it just tastes straight up just like a latte. Like, all I taste is the espresso, and I'm like, what the hell? Like, it's not supposed to taste like this. Like, where's the sugar cookies? I swear to God, this better taste good, otherwise I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, I just got to the nail salon, but first I'm gonna try this and see if it actually tastes good, because I have a bone to pick with Starbucks. So now that's a sugar cookie latte. Like, be for real right now. Oh, so good. Anyways, we're here, so I'm going to head inside and get these nails done, because ooh, they're crusty, dusty, musty. How are you? Okay, I just finished at the nail salon and I am obsessed. Look at these. It is currently 11:51 and I have a class at 12:30, so we're not gonna have time to go and do my eyebrows.
I did not expect to be going to the mall.
I picked up these two tops for my trip.
We're gonna get this one.
Very cute. I low-key like already got stuff for my trip, but no harm in doing some more shopping, right? Oh, I hate coming here because then I just leave always buying stuff. Okay, we got this sweater. It is so cute. I love it. And then I got these jeans. I don't really know how I like them, just because like they're ripped, but super cute. Okay, these are the second pair. They're not ripped. And I think I like these better. So cute. Ooh. Love it. I also picked out this gray top and I also have it in black. I won't put it on if you guys know what it will look like. Super cute. Got our goodies. Now we are heading to Sephora.
Are you vlogging this, bro? Oh, what's getting into my shoes?
So
Oh, this one's really good. This one's lavender, baby.
okay, so I had class today and then like me and my friends met up at Starbucks to do work. And then we ended up leaving Starbucks to go to the mall to go get shopping. So yeah, but it's okay. I got some really cute stuff for my trip and I'm really happy with that. Now I'm about to go to my other class and then tomorrow I'll get my eyebrows and my hair done. So I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. Hello, it is the next day and I never showed you guys what I got from Garage. So I'm gonna show you what I got. First, I ended up going with these jeans, ones that were not ripped. They're the 90s straight 00 and they just fit so beautiful. I love them and I really wanted a pair of jeans like in this color because all I wear is like light blue jeans. Yeah, I just feel like I needed this in my closet. And then I also got it with sweater, which I've been seeing all over TikTok and I kind of fell through the trap, but it's so beautiful. Like when I put it on, I was like, this is so stunning. And it's like off the shoulder, but like you also could wear it like this. And then I ended up getting some basic tops. And even though I already like have basic tops that I put in my luggage, but they're like oversized, really big shirts. Whereas like these ones are nice and fitted, fit really nice and like tight on your body. They like slim your body, so really like it and it's really good for layering and you can literally wear it with anything. So got it in black and I got it in gray. So that's what I got. Oh, and then I want to show you. Yesterday, my work had a Christmas dinner. I got this so cute. It's Purdy's assorted chocolate with like my little name on it. And then I got some cards from my managers. They were so sweet. And then I also got a advent calendar from my manager and it's jewelry. And I really want to open it up now before I leave because I'm not going to be able to bring this with me. I'm not going to be able to open it up every single day of the month. I'm gonna open it now and see if there's anything. Oh my god. See if there's anything that I want to take with me. How do you open this? Oh, it is so cute. Are you kidding me? Okay, I just opened them all and oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Are you kidding me? It's like mainly gold jewelry and I love gold jewelry. You get some rings, earrings, some bracelets. I think this is a necklace. This is stunning. I love it. Anyways, so now that I've shown you guys everything I got, I have a very busy day today. So I wrote down a list of things I need to do. So I had a meeting this morning, which already done. I have to record a presentation and submit it. So I'm gonna get that done now. And then after I have to go out, I have to go to the mall again. I know I was there yesterday, but I didn't have time. I have to go get my eyebrows threaded because yeah, they're really growing in and it's really nasty. So do my eyebrows. I also want to go to Indigo because I got a gift card yesterday as a Christmas gift. So I want to grab a book for the plane because it's really hard for me to sleep on the plane. I get really anxious with flying, so reading will be a good distraction. Oh, I also want to pick up a mini planner so I can write out things that I'm doing during my trip. And then I also will be working remotely because I do like social media marketing for work. I have to make sure that I stay on top of like posts that I need to do. Like, I just want to write out everything just as a good reminder. And then I have my hair appointment today at 4 o'clock and I'm so excited, guys. Like, I have these front pieces that are turning, I don't even know, like copper pink. They're really light and my roots are growing in, but basically I'm just gonna be doing red again. So like red highlights. I'm gonna get working on my presentation and then I'll catch you guys when I'm leaving my house and heading to the mall. Okay, I just got to the mall. It is like 2 o'clock right now and my hair appointment's not until 4, so we're doing good for timing. I was low-key stressing because there's like a lot of traffic because like everyone's just out and about, like nobody's at work. I ended up picking up this book. It looks really, really good. But I want to look for one more book because when I get into books, I read the whole thing. So okay, I just got back from the mall. Just got my eyebrows done. They look so good. It just takes off like all my freaking makeup. Oh wait, I'll actually show you what I got. I ended up getting this book, Twisted Games. This is like a romance about a guy who like can't have this girl, but he gets her anyway. I love the chase. And then this one, Fuel the Fire. I also heard this one's good. It's also a romance about like being with someone who you shouldn't because it's gonna like compromise stuff. I don't know. Okay, we are back. It's hard to tell, but she is red again. And then we cut some bangs. Super, super cute. Oh my god, I'm so tired. That appointment took like 3-4 hours. I'm about to go home, go to bed, and yeah. We are home and we are packing up the rest of this stuff and I'm feeling really stressed. But anyways, here's some better lighting of my hair. Super cute. I'm going to be going to bed and I will also be doing a travel with me video, so make sure you do watch that and I will see you guys when I'm in Portugal.